How to watch and sync with friends remotely while video chatting. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Scener and tap on the very first blank you see there. You will then see the option for Get Scener. Tap on that and then tap on the Add Extension button. Now tap on the Add to Chrome button you to see there. Further tap on the Login button and go ahead and log yourself into Scener. And if you do not have a Scener account, you can also go ahead and create one. Once logged in, tap on the Host a Watch Party option you see there. And further tap on the Start Now button in the interface. That you will be like to tap on the Netflix option from the option provided. You will be prompted to sign into your Netflix account. So go ahead and sign in yourself using your Netflix login pad and chill and further play the movie or series you want to watch and sync with friends and tap on the share option you see there. In order to share the link with your friends, they can further join the link by accepting the invitation. Ensure that it is important for your friends to have a Scener account as well as Netflix account to be able to watch and sync with you. You can also enable camera and microphone if required. You can also pass the remote if you want. So this is how you can watch Netflix and sync with your friends remotely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.